Hi, welcome here. In front of me REALME C33, and now I'm gonna show you how to enable screen recording on this device. Firstly, open Control Panel, and here you will see your screen recorder feature is here. But if you have no screen recorder feature here, you need to add it to your control panel. How to do it? Just click on the pencil button on the top part of your screen and scroll down, find here your screen record feature, click and hold on it and drag it to upper part of your device. And as you can see, now we have screen recorder here, so click on it. Here you can choose input method and touches showing. For example, you can disable show touches or enable it. And record audio. So here you can you can use device audio input or microphone input or both inputs. So for example, if you will choose these items, so in this way your screen recordings will be contained the sounds from your device and your voice from your microphone. And click start. Wait 3 seconds. Wait a while. Now we are recording our video, our screen recording, and when you want to stop the recording, just open Control Panel and click Stop. Great. Now open your gallery. Wait a while. Open gallery. And here in library you will see your recording. Now we are recording our video, our screen recording, and okay, that's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.